Hello guys, welcome to our second video. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to set up ring groups on 3CX V18. So without further ado, let's begin the tutorial. Okay, so as you can see I'm at the 3CX management console, and of course I'm going to have to log in. And as you can see, I'm at the dashboard. So simply, all I'm going to need to do is I'm going to have to go into ring groups, click on add ring group, and you can see I'm at the add ring group wizard here. So, for this demonstration, I'm just going to create one ring group with a few extensions added onto it. So, of course, at first I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to call this ring group 3CX video 8. I'm going to keep the virtual extension number to 8000, and I'm going to set the ring strategy to ring all. Now, one word of note here: if you have an enterprise or professional license for 3CX, you will have more ring strategy options. However, because I only have the standard annual license, I only get 2, so I'm going to be using ring all. I'm going to set my ring time to 60 seconds, which will allow customers a full minute to ring before they are taken to a voicemail. So, for group members, you can see there is a drop-down menu. You can select all of the. You can select all of them if you wanted to, but I'm only going to select 9001, 9003. And 9004. And I'm going to click on OK. And you can see all of the group members have been added. Of course, you can go back into add, and you can add on more, or you can select on one, say for instance 9003, and click on delete. So, now let's say that the customer has rang for a full 60 seconds and no one has answered, despite the ring strategy being ring all. Where will the call go if there's no answer after 60 seconds? We can now choose this. We can either choose to end the call, connect to extension, a voicemail, digital receptionist, a queue or a ring group, so basically another ring group, forward to outside number, so probably for a SIP trunk, or send call to call flow apps. I'll talk about that very soon. In our case, I'm going to select the voicemail box for an extension, and I'm going to choose 9000 as this is the operator extension. With that, I can click on OK, and you can see that the ring group has now been added. So, in order to test this out, I'm just going to go on to 9001, and I'm going to show you how it looks. Okay, so as you can see, I'm now at 9001, and a change of plan here. I'm now going to set 9001 to the receiving end, and I've got my extension 9004 here on my mobile phone as the sender. So simply, I'm just going to dial 8000 on my phone, and I'm going to ring it now. And you can see it works here. Hello. 1, 2, 3. I don't know if this works, but I think video is also an option on here. There we go. Hello. So as you can see, all is working. If I was to dial it back, because I think there's some technical difficulties with one of the extensions, if there's no one online, it takes you straight to voicemail.
Or press start to contact the operator.
I'm going to leave a voicemail because why not? Now that voicemail has been sent to extension 9000. So as you can see, all is well and is working nicely. And that's it. Hopefully this video has been helpful. If you would like to request a video, please leave a comment in the comment section below, or you can check out our Discord server, Twitter and Instagram pages, which are the links in the video description. Join me next time where I'll be teaching you how to set up a backup server. Well, not a backup server, but rather just sending your 3CX instances to a backup server, so then all your data and information is saved, and you can easily recover your data from it. So with that, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time.